Hi, in this video, we are going to discuss how we can use the PayPal payment provider in Odoo e-commerce. So first, we have to make sure that in website, we have enabled the payment provider PayPal. Currently, I have installed the PayPal payment provider in test mode. And here I have configured that email, client ID and client secret which I got from the sandbox account. So make sure that all of these details are properly filled, and if it is done, then you will be able to generate a webhook ID which generates an automatic sync between Odoo and PayPal. So once everything is in place, make sure that this particular payment provider is published. Now we are all set in the configuration. We can create a purchase. So let's say I'm purchasing a chair for protection. And I'm checking out. So here I have already filled the complete delivery address and details. I'm confirming the details. And once it is in the payment part, here we can see the payment method PayPal. And here we have the quick access button to the PayPal payment. So I'll just click on that. And here we get a PayPal payment screen. Now, in this account, we have already added two or three credit cards in PayPal credit, everything. So we can choose whichever payment method we would like to do. So I'll be going with the credit card and complete the purchase. So now the payment has been done and it's initiating the payment. So here we can see the payment has been completely processed and it is successful. And this is the PayPal account. We can just refresh that. So in this part, we'll be able to see the PayPal balance, available balance. And here we have the payment which we have done right now. And currently my PayPal account is in dollars and the amount I have paid is in euros. So to get the exact conversion ratio, let's open that. And here we can see the exchange rate of a euro to $1 and the paid with a credit card union of $21, but the bill will be in euro only. So this is how we manage a PayPal payment provider in e-commerce. Thank you for watching.